So this question says that the perimeter of a rectangle is 232 inches, the width is 36, and you need to find the area of the rectangle. So let's write down what we need to look for in this question, which is the area. And now let's go back and draw a picture of the rectangle and put down the facts that we know, which the total perimeter is 232, the width, which is the line going across, is 36, and since the opposite side will be the same measure, we can also put down 36 as well. And the two missing side, we will use n to indicate the missing number, and they're the same measure, so we put n on left and right. Since the perimeter is basically adding the surrounded sides together, one of the number sentences you can write for this question is 36 plus 36 plus n equals to 232, and 236 add up to 72, and n plus n gives 2n. Combining these numbers together will give us 72 plus 2n equals to 232, and we will use the fact family to solve this, which is to try to put the n at the end, which gives us 232 minus 72 equal to 2n, which 232 minus 72 is 160, and the new equation is 160 equal to 2n, and you want to get 1n, so you divide both by 2, and 160 divided by 2 gives you 80 as n. And now to check the answer, we will replace n by 80, so 36 plus 36 plus 80 plus 80 does indeed give you 232. Another way to solve this is using the perimeter formula, which is length plus width times 2, and the perimeter is 232, so the equation we can write is 232 equals to the length plus the 36 in parentheses times 2, and to get rid of the 2 we will divide both sides by 2, and we get 116 equal to L plus 36, and to get 1L using the fact family you will subtract 36, and we get 80 equals to L, which is the same number we got from the other number sentence. So the area will be 80 times 36 because it is length times width, and we get 2,880 square inches because we are measuring area in squares. You can also write it with the inch and the little square, the exponent. The second part of this question asks us to find the area of this rectangle in feet. So some note that you need to notice is 12 inches in a foot. So we can first convert each of the dimension into feet, which 36 divided by 12 gives you 3 feet, and 80 divided by 12 will give you 6 2/3 feet. And to find the area, we can simply multiply the two numbers together, which will give us 20 feet square. As a reminder, the reason why we get feet square is because we are multiplying 3 feet with 6 2/3 feet, so feet times feet is feet squared. Another way to do this is knowing the fact that 1 foot by 1 foot is basically 12 by 12 in inch, so 1 foot square equals a 144 inch square. So if we put our 2,880 inch square and divided by 144 inch square, we will get the same answer, 20 feet square. That's it for the lesson.